Today, I wan welcome una to the first episode of Law in Pidgin for this year 2024. My name na still Hope Azimichi Aziri Oziri. Today, e get one topic wey we wan talk about. First, make I wish una happy new year. Happy new year. Welcome to year 2024. Today, the topic wey I wan talk na one topic wey be say una know say for Nigeria, if you don learn something, oyibo say to unlearn am dey hard. If Nigerians don hold on to something, we don hold something say na like this the thing dey, to leave that thing chai, e dey hard us. The matter wey I wan address today na the case of missing person. If dem say person miss, like if dem say person dem no fit find the person, how many minutes, how many hours, how many days, how many months, how many years you suppose dey before you go report to police? The annoying part be say, you see this oyibo call am misconception. Even policemen wey suppose know how e suppose be, policemen wey suppose know the right thing, wey suppose know how this thing suppose work, then dem dey follow make this mistake. If person miss, how many minutes, how many hours you get before you raise alarm, before you tell police? The law wey dey regulate this matter na Police Act 2020, the one wey our National Assembly dem sama give us for 2020. Wetin this law talk? Section 90 of Police Act 2020 talk say, if you notice say person wey dey your control, person wey you know, person wey you dey in charge of miss, say you get within 24 hours to report to police. Wetin be within? Within for our pidgin English mean say as day dey break, before another day go break again. That is, if you count 1 hour, let's say day break, let's say from 6 a.m. now, person miss for 6 a.m. you get till another 6 a.m. the next day to report to police, no be after. Na there police people dey get am. If person miss, police people go say you no go fit report until after 24 hours. No, that is not the law. No be so law talk am. Law say make you report within 24 hours. So that means if person miss, you notice say person miss, as e dey hot that time, go report to police. No wait till after 24 hours, because this after 24 hours wrong belief wey we get, e don kill so many people, e don make so many people don kpai, e don kpai so many people. No be so law talk am. So if you notice say person dey miss for your end, within 24, in fact, as you notice am, run go police station, go report. Then section 31 of that same Police Act 2020 come talk say police, say na the duty of police to investigate every complaint wey dem carry come give them. So the complaint say person miss na complaint, na the duty of police person to investigate that your complaint. No complaint wey big pass the other, no one small pass the other. As you bring your complaint, their duty na, as you just tell them say so person dey miss, dem go write down the name of the person, last place where you see the person phone number, the person age, everything dem go write am down. Then section 96 of that same Police Act don talk say na even offence, if you need help, police no assist you, that policeman or the Nigerian police, they don commit offence be that. The police, that policeman or anybody dey in charge wey you complain to don commit offence. The duty of police na to assist you when you dey danger, when you need help, especially where e go for save your life. So that belief say if person miss, you go wait for 24 hours, no be wetin law talk. Wetin law talk na wetin I don tell you like this. So if you notice say person dey miss, as you just notice am, man use that word within, make e no be like say the English too much, maybe na the English dey confuse people. As you just notice say person dey miss, bam, go police, go report. No wait for extra 1 minute. Another thing again, as you dey tell police, if dem tell you say make you wait till after 24 hours, no gree. Use your phone, download Police Act 2020, read section 31 for them. read section 90 for them, read section 96 for them. Thank you, you wey dey watch my video. When you see this year, no watch my video, dey keep am to yourself. When you watch, dey share, make e dey reach other people. Thank you.